Hi, this is Xavier from AXP Racing. Today I'm going to show you how to fit your new radiator braces for the Yamaha YZ450F. Here comes the protection. You will have two mounting options, one without modification and the second one you will have to drill one hole here. But for now, let's start with the first option. We are done with the option 1. As you can see, it's already very strong. However, you can make it even stronger by drilling one more hole, and this is what we're gonna do on the option 2. Start by following the same steps as option 1, then add one screw to avoid the guard from moving. Draw a dot here, remove the guard, and then drill the hole. You know everything about how to fit your radiator braces. If you don't have it yet, you can find a link in the description. If this video was helpful, give us a like and see you on track.